Hello from Korea. Today, introduce pebblestone from volcano lava called basalt. It is have two color, which is tan and dark gray. It's gray like melange. It is light and shade are excellent for gardening or interior or exterior in housing area. Also, flower pot for drain water with nice color. Of course, can use around paved stone in your house. Korea use this for in and out house for multi-purpose as shown. Guess you will use this after seeing these contents. This platform is only for your references, but hope you will manage your house for your satisfaction to make better housing area. Please click subscribe and alarm. Thanks for watching.